Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Confetti collection box for this month. If you guys want to check them out, I'm going to leave links in the description box below. I just want to show you guys what is in this box, so if you guys want to check out the subscription, you can. So let's begin. If my face is red and my eyes are watering, it's because I'm coughing in between clips and editing them out. It has been one of those months in our house where we have all been sick, so I'm going to dive right in here before I talk too much and start coughing. So this is what their box looks like. This, if you haven't seen my other videos, this is what is inside the box. Let's check it out. First thing is they always send out some super awesome stationery. They're like stationery type fun boxes. I think this would be really great for teen girls, someone that just really wants a present every other month for 20 bucks or $19.99. I think it is an awesome deal, and I always use everything they have in these boxes, and if I don't, I know somebody who's going to use them. And they're also like little great gift ideas. Like, I'm gonna tell you, some people are like, this isn't a good gift idea. I gave away some items from the Confetti collection boxes I wasn't gonna use or had too many of, and they all loved them. So the first thing is this cute little notebook. I love that it has a little tag in here, so it will tell you like what page you're on. Those are like one of my favorite notebooks. It's cute, it's good for grocery lists, it's good for phone numbers, anything like that. The next thing is these little paper clips. These are always good to have around. You can never have enough paper clips. Super, super cute. I'm just gonna open them so to get the, oh, there's still glare. There's still stuff happening over there. But yeah, these are super cute. I like those. A luggage tag, this is fun. It says vacation calories don't count. Don't we wish? And this is what it looks like. This would be cute for like a little fun travel basket. This is a cord keeper. What is a cord keeper? I'm curious. Okay, so this is what it looks. Oh, I get it. Okay, you get two of them. One shaped like a star, and you put your cord in there, and then it doesn't go all over the place. I think that's what that is. Cord keepers. I'm gonna say that's what it is. You put your cord in there, snap it shut, it doesn't move. Cool. This next is a gift bag. It has glitter in here. That's cute. It says, yay. That's adorable. This would even be like, it's like a blush pink color. This would be cute for like a wedding, a birthday. That's cute. I like that. This next one is a keychain. That's cute too, this little tassel. I think that's really cute, and it has this little thingy as well. I'm not sure, it looks like straw to me. That's cute. I like it, and I like that it is just clips like this, because I hate the, I do not like the key that you have to like slide it on like with one of these. I always have like I have a lot of trouble. Next thing is a pencil case, or a pouch with tassel is what it's called. I like how everything always matches in these boxes. So this one is really, really cute. I like the pattern. It has like roses or kiwi or oranges. I think they're roses, but the tassel's cute. I love the colors of this. All right, the next thing is this little pin. This has a horseshoe on it, and it's to bring you good luck is what it says. So that's kind of cute. Is it a pin? We're gonna open it because I don't think it's a pin. Oh, it's not. It's like a coin. All right, I mean, you win some, you lose some. I don't think that's like very, I don't know. That's like probably like the least favorite thing I've ever gotten in any of these boxes, because I'm not gonna use it. The very last thing it says Shine Bright right here. And this pulls out, and it looks like we have some socks. This is cool. I've never seen socks in one of these boxes before. So those are really cute. I love fun colored socks. I know my daughter loves fun colored socks too. So I guess if she wants these, she can have these. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will leave it down here for you. I always forget that in my videos, that to follow me on Instagram. So down there, down below. And also the link to the Confetti collection. So if you liked this box, let me know in the comments below. If you guys already get this box every other month, let me know that as well. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.